Doge is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we did have a very clean bounce on the 0.08 level, but I mentioned the fact that we are waiting to see how this level plays out. Ideally, you can see that we did see a beautiful retest confirmation at the 0.08 for that third test, and then we had a strong bullish engulfing candle. The only difference, of course, was the fact that we are now starting to see that liquidity grab to the upside, retesting that previous resistance which I mentioned at 0.09. As of right now though, we are pretty much hovering right in between these exponential moving averages. So like I said before, ideally what I'm waiting for from a bullish case scenario is a strong break above this level, find it as support, and then a continuation. If we don't see that, of course, and we do see a break of the 0.08 level, then we can start to keep a closer eye on how this move set is going to play. Of course, in today's move, we did have the beautiful CPI data come in, which was extremely bullish. You can see altcoins, much like Ethereum, saw some massive gains today, and Doge and some others are lagging behind. Whether this means, of course, that these moves are fake outs or not is going to be the question later in the week. But as of right now, from a bullish case, if we do see a strong bull move to the upside, we would have to break above the 0.11 level. Ideally, once we get above that level and find it as support, then we can look for a possible continuation. And of course, the reason why that level is very important is you can see from previous price analysis, we failed to break above that level 3 times. You can see we had 3 beautiful retests and then the strong bearish engulfing candle for that continuation. And a lot of you guys were doubting me when I kept mentioning the fact that this 0.08 level will be tested because this is a continuation move to the downside. As of right now, I am mentioning it once again. If Doge cannot break above these exponential moving averages and continue pushing on higher than 0.09, all eyes are going to be on this daily support here at 0.07. And as you guys know from my previous videos, that we will be breaking that level as well because of the fact that we have already tested that level twice. I have not deleted these yellow circles because, again, I keep mentioning it and I will continue mentioning it because I want you guys to understand that if this level is broken, this will be a massive move to the downside, possibly back to our overall support here at 0.05, which was also the level that pretty much we hovered upon before we continued having this massive move on Doge. Looking at the hourly time frames as of right now though, you can see that we do have quite a bit of bearish pressure. We did get some strong bullish engulfing candles. Once we retested this level, you can see we got a clean confirmation, got that wick, and then again retested before that continuation. But as of right now, we are above the exponential moving averages, but volume is starting to die out, as well as the fact that we are heading into overbought territories once again. So ideally, looking at this from this perspective, if we do see a strong bullish move set, this level specifically here at 0.09 is going to play a very important role. The reason why is because the fact that you can see that we tested this level multiple times, and if I go on previous price analysis, you can see that this level was tested as a support level here as well before that continuation. So this is going to act as a very strong resistance. As you guys already know, old support becomes new resistance. So if we don't see that break above that level, then you guys will know that this is going to act as a massive fake out opportunity. Going on the daily time frames, we did get a beautiful break of the exponential moving averages, which was an extremely bearish move set, and then we retested them as resistance. As of right now, we are pretty much in a neutral standpoint. So if we do see another retest on these EMAs and fail to break above, then you guys already know on the daily time frame that will become the third test in terms of wicks, and we will be looking for that continuation. I mentioned in the first video, of course, when Doge pretty much started to break above the 0.07, that we could be looking for a move set like this and then a continuation, but that would become extremely bearish overall. Of course, I would like to see Doge in terms of a bullish case, and I mentioned that to you guys when we started to test that 0.11 level, that once we see a clean break above and then find it as support, that will give you guys that continuation. We just did not see that level. We didn't see that volume come in. You can see we actually retested the level 3 times, and it's not the argument of, oh well, we were in the overbought range. You can see not necessarily, we weren't really even in close to that overbought range on the daily time frames. So the bulls definitely had enough reason to continue. Not only did they break above a crucial resistance point, but as well as the fact that we were bouncing on these exponential moving averages and seeing that continuation. But this moveset was based off the weekend. Of course, we did have these two bullish candlesticks on the weekend, so we didn't see that fake out. And as of right now, we saw that continuation leading into the week. This is why I always recommend Monday mornings is the time for correction. So be very careful when you guys enter trades over the weekends. And again, right now on Doge, there just simply is no bullish pressure to really be entering these positions. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.